Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your G-Shock Mudmaster to your phone. First, download the official G-Shock connected app from your phone's app store. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. Then, put your Mudmaster watch into pairing mode. Keep your phone and watch very close, ideally within 1 meter, to ensure a strong initial connection. This sets the stage for a smooth pairing process. Now, open the G-Shock connected app on your phone and select your specific Mudmaster model from the list. On your watch, press and hold the Connect or Mode button for about 3 to 5 seconds until you see Pair flashing on the display. Your phone will then prompt you to confirm the pairing request. Simply tap to accept and finalize the connection. If you encounter any issues during pairing, don't worry. A common solution is to simply restart both your phone and your G-Shock Mudmaster watch. Also, ensure there are no other active Bluetooth devices nearby that might interfere with the connection. Always check your watch's battery level. Low power can sometimes prevent a successful pairing. These steps often resolve most connection problems. Once your G-Shock Mudmaster is successfully connected, it will automatically adjust its time and date for perfect accuracy. You can now explore a range of features through the app, such as the mission log, location indicator, and detailed activity tracking. Plus, customize various watch settings and receive important notifications directly on your wrist, enhancing your daily experience with your Mudmaster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.